Hey guys, pagawas mi sa crossing kay mamalit mi og pagkaon and kining unsa ni init. Yeah, than yesterday. Nice na ang laundry. Kuan ka mamalit mi pagkaon kanang medyas and jacket and shoe and maybe more charot. Then Bernard Bernard Obore. What?
You might be pregnant. Kilos.
Oh, sirado lagi mga tindahan lagi. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Mela and Bernard. Say hi to them. Serious gina siya. Seryoso kayo na siya niya. Tapos ako kay kuan kayo siyaw kayo. Namiss sa Maasay. Paingon mi sa Maasay mo. We go there in Maasay Mall. Here? Okay, this way down. What?
There's someone coming.
That?
My brother.
We wait here? He's there? Oh, the brother who I met last time? Okay. Doon ni sa simbahan guys sa goods. Kasi na ni siya. So, this is Rongai, Kenya. Makita na siya sa iya igsaon. So niya guys kay kuan karan taason. May sobra. Minyo na. Oh, look at the mannequin. I like the mannequin here. You know why? You know it already. The mannequin guys, tanaw mo dagko kay lubot. You see it, lubot? This is no nice dresses here. Oh, I like the dress. Naami nga rin. Tisa ako sa Itagoon. Bye. Naami sa market guys. Ilang kamatis. Daghan nagkamatis diri. Uy. Lami nangita lagi ko black beans ba kay ako butangan ako kamatis kay ginok. Ilang black beans diri kay kuan man kanang wala siya murag liquid beans lang siya. So need pa nimo siya palit sila patatas. This is for 10. Oh, kalami ani.
What about the customers? You are all welcome. You are all welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Put them here.
Oh.
Wake up a customer. Yes, brother. Yes, yamiani. Niko sana kaka. Kuna mwereka wari.
Labrato hani diri. This is the price. 10. It's 10.
Yeah, 10 book.
Oh. 10. Leonard and his brother looking for potato. Na sila. Oh, talong nila diri guys. Gagmay man. Gagmay man ilang talong. Oh, sila litos. It's 150. How much? How about this one? This is 10 only? This is 10 only?
Where is it?
That one?
Where is it? Where did you get it from?
It's 10 only?
Yeah.
Only
Oh,
10.
dentro di ora.
Only 10 Kenyan shilling.
10. 1.
10. Oh, 10 ra guys. Grabe ka. Kalami ani mag ano ay. You know, in our country it's 300 per kilo.
300 per kilo.
Yeah.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can buy this one also. But the good one is this one.
I don't know how to. I can cook there, you know. I can cook
Do you have some
mine.
cash?
Yeah. Silang ko Andre kita. You know, in our country it's 300 per kilo. 300 per kilo. Or here is 600 Kenyan shilling
600.
per kilo. Yeah. I'm with this brother. Tag 10 ra guys. Tag 5 pesos. Sis. Oh, barato ra sis. May palit para. Di bang ko kaluto. Na sila ay lettuce, eggplant, and you know, I need to cook that, but I can cook there. Buy it for me. Okay, buy it. And this one is, hey,